Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are on our way to Khandi. Exactly, there is not a single point there. There are many small and big waterfalls like the Jakta waterfall, the Mau waterfall, Vadeshwar waterfall, also the Khandi waterfall. But I've been hearing about it since few years that the road from Kanhe to Khandi is very beautiful. So I thought, why not? So even last year I wanted to go there. Actually we were going there with family and we met with an accident on the way. कार से जा रहे थे, एक्सीडेंट होता छोटा सा, कार के लिए बड़ा था बट इंजरीज मेरे से या किसी और को नहीं हुई थी. एंड आई वाज इन द रेयर पैसेंजर सीट, साइड से ठुके थे. बट या दैट वाज आई थिंक अ ईयर और टू अगो, मे बी अ ईयर अगो और मे बी 2. So yeah, this is us finally going to that viewpoint. The road actually Kanhe to Khandi, but this is going to be a bit different because the pillion is my wife and my mom is also accompanying us on an Activa. So this will be a slow ride, it has to be. So let's see. So let's see how long this road trip takes. So we've just covered 6 minutes, sorry 6 kilometers. I don't know how many minutes. Let's see how long we take to cross this section now. So finally Hinjewadi bridge gaya and traffic bhi khatam hua. So I think the culprit is this underpass. Oh, it's a deadlock. It always pays to know the internal routes or alternate routes in such times, but highway पे ही जाम लगा है तो यार what can be the alternate for a highway? Another highway? Even that would be jam packed, I'm sure. So let's see. Finally we are on the highway stretch, hopefully without any traffic now, until obviously the toll plaza will have traffic. Now it has started raining even more heavily. Well, I love riding in the rain, but I'm not sure about others. My wife has to ride with me because she doesn't have any option, but I think my mom also enjoys it. Let's see. तो फिलहाल हम रुके HP पेट्रोल पंप पे, एक्टिवा में पेट्रोल भरना था. So I already have a lot of fuel. I don't know. Okay, let's see how much range it shows. Strip 1, the average is 31 kmpl for 547 kilometers. Strip 2, 30.4 for 173.
कस्टमर मान ली कहते मुंबई से मेरे पास एप्पल का एयरपोर्ट लेकर एप्पल का एयरबड्स आता है ना.
हाँ.
मेरा कंटेनर खड़ा है आगे, मनी प्रॉब्लम है, हाफ रेट करके.
क्या क्या
मनी प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा कंटेनर खड़ा है आगे, डिलीवर लोगे हाफ रेट से भी कम में.
नहीं चाहिए मुझे. नहीं
नहीं मैं यूज नहीं करता एप्पल नहीं मेरे पास. नहीं
Oh, I hope my waterproofing solution works this time as well. Last time it worked, we know because we saw the video. And if you have not seen the video yet, please go and watch it on YouTube. I'll add it in the description as well, and also in the end cards, end credits, whatever. So that's actually my most popular video. So last time when I checked, it had more than 3,000 views. The previous best any of my videos did was 1.8k Until then, now that has also climbed to 1.9k. So yeah, it's going good. And from the last video, one thing that I really liked about the audio is that there was very less air noise or the wind blast. This extended windscreen, it almost, I think it stops the wind blast up to my nose level. So if I'm not wearing a helmet, I actually tried it. I kept my hand here. No, yeah, now I get the wind blast. So it's up to this level, there is no wind blast. So my camera and my mic are protected from it. So since क्या किधर So since I badly wanted to go on a ride today, we haven't had lunch. बस ऐसे ही निकल पड़े. I said मुझे तो जाना है, जहाँ आके खाऊंगा, अभी लंच नहीं करना है. And then both the ladies got ready as well. So no one has had lunch. So we'll be stopping at Joshi Vade Wale for a quick vada pav, the Indian burger. Okay, sorry, Joshi Vade Wale nahi tha. It is Rohit Vade Wale. Let's see if we have a spot to park here. कहाँ पार्क करेंगे? आओ,
क्या हुआ?
स्लोप पे पैर नहीं पहुंचा.
मुझे लगा नहीं.
हाथ थोड़ा चिल्लाए हो तो धो देता हूँ मैं अंदर.
क्यों इतना होशियारी मारते हो? इधर लगा लेगा. आई डिड दिस हियर ना. इधर लगा लेगा. पानी बॉटल.
So as you saw in the video, I had a little minor fall, but बाइक को कुछ डैमेज नहीं है. The engine guard or the crash guard did its job, and the only major damage which I can see is this. It's not supposed to be so loose. It's supposed to be unmovable. Palm and my knee. That's it. Everything else is fine. So we are continuing on our ride to Habit, wherever we had planned. So we are finally on the Kanhe to Khandi route, and well, what I've heard is the route is worth it. That's what I can see so far. I mean, we just now started a few kilometers into the right turn, and the views are already amazing. But there's a lot of traffic, and because of the fall earlier, I have a slight knee pain, but a bit of a deterrent, but doesn't matter. Yeah, we ride. Oh, this is probably the Indrayani river. Look how filled it is. Because of the rains, the visibility might be low in terms of the view that we can see, because there are, it's like road on this side, hills to the left with a lot of waterfalls. So that's why this road is special and renowned. But I doubt if we'll be able to see too much to the left. Let's see ahead if we find something. So that is my mom, who is also on the ride with us. This is her first ride while driving. And it's continuously raining. I am worried that she might feel cold, she might get tired. So once she gets tired, my wife will be riding it. But so far she's doing good. On the highway, in the traffic, in the rain, with vehicles splashing water over her, over us, over everyone. It's good. This is her first ride and I'm sure it will be memorable for her. One more thing, tomorrow we might go to accessorize this bike further. What a wind blast with luggage system, which is not too costly but does the job. Most probably I'll get panniers and top box, but I might also want to explore the soft luggage options of it. Yeah, but I am a fan of hard luggage. It looks cool and it's easy to store them at home. You know, boxes can pile up on top of each other, but not the soft one. First big ride on this bike, which we definitely will have to complete, will be on 15th August. On Independence Day we will start. Yeah, rokta hu. So we will start on Independence Day until 4 more days, and it won't be Gujarat, which I wanted to do and which I had planned, but it will be Hyderabad. So it will also be the first trial along with the luggage systems, and yeah, first major ride. So this is good practice before that. So even next weekend we will go on some small ride, which we will hopefully complete. This one also I think we might return, because as you can see the visibility and my two companions for today. So after a little halt and a small photo shoot, we decided we'll go up to the Jagtap waterfall, which is just 4 kilometers ahead, and then we will return. We won't make it up to the Khandi point and back, because the Activa doesn't have strong headlights to ride in the dark, and it will be dark by the time we return if we go much ahead. As it is already 4, it might take another half an hour or 1 hour based on our speed to reach up to Khandi point. Also depending on the traffic, which is unforgiving today. Not as much has been captured on the camera, because I don't have enough battery to capture everything. But yeah, it's been a frustrating ride overall, but it also has its good points. The views are good. The traffic and the fall was a bit dampening, but it happens. So we thought to return, but wife says we've come so far, at least we should visit one waterfall. So the closest one from where we stopped was Jagtap waterfall, 3.8 kilometers and 9 minutes away. So off we are. And as you can see, there is a lot of returning traffic. So it's actually the time to return. We are going at a place where it is now the time to return. That's fine. We haven't been serious about our rides this monsoon. That's because there is a lot of stuff to do on weekends and a lot of sleep deficit to cover on weekends. So let's see now. Up to the Jagtap waterfall and back. We have been to Lavasa twice this season, but we came back from the door because it was late both the times. The third time we thought, okay, this time we will definitely go, but the road was closed. There was a landslide and the road had broken. At Temgarh itself, we couldn't even reach up to Lavasa. And this is our fourth monsoon ride, which is again incomplete. So this monsoon has been about incomplete rides. We still have one more weekend before we go to Hyderabad. Oh, look at that waterfalls. Big waterfall. Okay, riding in monsoon is fun. I enjoy it every time. Oh, it's pouring now. Another few small waterfalls here and there. So that's what this road is all about. Waterfalls everywhere. So this is the beauty of the Kanhe to Khandi road. There are a lot of waterfalls to the left. The video got... I hope the video... I got some in the video. One of them could be Jagtap waterfalls, I'm not sure. Yeah, it is on the main road. Oh wow. Look at those, look at that. Oh, I'm not sure how much the GoPro is capturing. Oh wow, incredible. So it actually is worth it. Oh, I wish the visibility was better. Just for this view. Awesome. It is dreamy, very dreamy. Look at it, wow. ये रहा जगताप वाटरफॉल. सो दिस इज़ द एंट्री ऑफ जगताप वाटरफॉल. अगर किसी को यहाँ आना हो तो यहाँ पे एक टिकट है. ठंडी लागे हॉलीडे पे 400 रुपीज़ एंट्री चार्ज. हमने लास्ट टाइम वीडियो देखा था 200 था. So the reason we decided to return was, as I said earlier, it is already a bit dark and it will get even more dark when we return. The main problem is that there are a lot of potholes, and if it gets darker, then it would be a problem for my mom, who's also riding the scooter, the Activa. And the entry fee for Jagta waterfall was 400 rupees in holidays and 350 on normal days. So since today is a weekend, it is a holiday, it will be 400. We thought it's better to return. Anyway, this is this monsoon, this has been the story. No trip of ours has been completed, but no problem, it happens. It's not entirely the luck or whatever, it's actually our fault. We start very late. So we'll stop at one place for tea and washroom, and then we will head back home. So this might be the end of this video, unless, you know, something happens. So see you guys again. Probably I'll try to make a video tomorrow as well, when I go to buy the accessories. So which shop I went to and what shopping I did from there, if at all I buy anything. So I'll try to make a detailed video of it, and maybe if I get something, then I'll do a detailed video of all the accessories that I have already on this, including the mirrors, the extended screen guard, the crash guard and all. And of course there'll also be the Hyderabad trip, which will also be covered. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, ride safe, and have fun. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Do everything you can, man. It's important. And of course, if there are any suggestions or any thoughts that you want to share, you can definitely add a comment. I'll reply. And yeah, please subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. As you can see, it is still raining heavily. So actually this much rain wasn't expected. We thought it would just drizzle today, but it's been continuously raining ever since we left the home. And I think we made a good choice to return right now.